In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Discord status. This is a quick way to let friends, teammates, and communities know whether you're available, stepping away, focusing, or just prefer to browse quietly. It only takes a moment, and it works the same whether you're chatting in one server or many. First, open Discord and sign in. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see your profile avatar next to your username and the small microphone and headphones icons. Click your avatar. That opens a compact status menu showing what you're currently set to, along with a few clear options. You can now choose the status that best matches what you're doing. Online is the bright green indicator. Select this when you're active and available to chat, hop into voice, or respond to messages. Notifications behave normally, so you won't miss new pings while you're at your keyboard. Idle shows as a gentle moon icon. It signals that you're away or not actively using Discord right now. Discord can switch you to idle automatically after a period of inactivity, but you can also set it yourself when you step away for a break. People can still message you, and you'll see those messages when you return. But idle lets others know you may not reply immediately. Do not disturb is your focus mode. When you pick this, Discord won't pop up notifications or play alert sounds, helping you stay in the zone during meetings, class, or gaming sessions. You'll still receive messages and mentions in the background. They're simply silenced until you're ready to check them. Invisible is for when you want to use Discord normally, while appearing offline to everyone else. Your status shows as offline to others, but you can browse servers, read messages, and chat as usual. It's useful if you want privacy or just want to catch up quietly without drawing attention. As soon as you click one of these options, your status updates immediately. You'll see the colored indicator change next to your avatar at the bottom left. This setting is account-wide, so it applies across all your servers and carries over between sessions until you change it again. Anytime you want to switch, just click your avatar again and pick a different option. Choose online when you're ready to engage, idle for quick breaks, do not disturb when you need focus, and invisible for low-key browsing. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a Discord status that matches your day.